The purpose of this tutorial is to provide you with a high-level overview of how you can create and manage loads within ITS Dispatch.
You have two different types of loads, new active load or new pending load. A new active load will look like this. Once you save it, it will have a load number and it'll be an open active load. Why would you use the difference? Well, a new active load requires a majority of the information in order to save it. If I don't have all that information, I might need just to exit out and wait until I do, or I can go to a new pending load with basic information. Maybe I have a bill to customer, and so Andy Streaming and I have a rate, so we've got a $10,000 rate. I know he's going to need a boat hauling trailer, and we're going to click save. I'm going to wait for the rest of the information. I have just created a not assigned pending load. And now I can wait for the rest of the information. Once I have the rest of the information, I'm going to click on my letters NA, go inside, and continue building that load. That's the difference between a new active and a new pending load. Other than that, once I change this load from from a pending to an open active load, it will automatically assign a load number in sequence to the next load number I've created. Okay? And that's how you create a load. Pretty straightforward and simple, okay? We're going to just quickly exit out of this. I'm going to delete it because that's a good thing about a new pending load. I did not delete a load number. Any deleted loads are going to show up here under Dispatch, Load Manager, Refused, Deleted, and Lost. So you can see all the not assigned pending ones I've deleted, and actually you can see the ones with load numbers. If I need to recreate that load number, 1135, all I have to do is click on that green arrow, click OK, and refresh my page, and 1135 shows back up on my dispatch board. Okay, simple as that. Okay, you can delete that load if it didn't take place, it didn't happen, and I don't want to overwrite it by clicking on the drop-down status, go to delete load, and again, that load now is in Dispatch, Load Manager, in the Refused Deleted section. And this is the only section which you'll find that load that is deleted. A lot of people come across, well, how do I find a load that's been done in the past? Very straightforward again and easy. Under Dispatch, Load Finder, just click Search. You can open up your date range, you can search by load numbers, you can search by a multiple of different things. But right now, I'm just searching from July to present. You can search by, the load numbers, ascending or descending, okay? And there shows all my loads. Now, if I'm looking 30, 31, 36, well, what happened to 34, or 32, 30, 33, 34, and 35? Well, then you're going to have to start looking a little further. Maybe open your date range or go into here, Load Manager, Refused, Deleted, and Lost, and you're going to see where your other loads are. Okay, so keep that in mind. Under Dispatch, Load Manager, you can find deleted loads. Under Dispatch, Load Finder, you can find all of the loads except for the deleted loads.
Thanks for tuning in to a high-level overview of creating and managing loads within ITS Dispatch. We recommend that you continue with your learning by viewing the Creating and Managing Loads Step-by-Step tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to customer support at 1-888-338-9656.